Hello guys, this is the last lesson of the course. This time we'll be summarizing what we've seen throughout the course. Okay, so this is the final design of our Venetian Carnival's costume. And this will be the final presentation, including our drawing and the sketches. So what did we learn in this course? Well, we had a brainstorming session where we based on the Venetian Carnival, its history, and some visual references to get some inspiration in order to draw our own design. After that, we made the sketch and the final version of our costume design, and here on the screen you can see the final result. Throughout the course, we've seen some useful resources that can be of great help for designing costumes or clothes for your characters. So guys, I really hope that you liked the course, and most importantly, that you learned a lot. Enjoy Carnival and see you in future courses.